Hello children, I am Parita teacher and I welcome you once again. And today children, we are going to do the last session for letter E. But before we begin doing that, let's quickly play a fun game. So what is going to happen? Well, I will clap and I will snap. You will have to count how many times I have clapped and snapped, and you then have to repeat the same. Let's start. That's right. Perfect. So you all have done a great job, children. And let's start right away learning the last bit of letter E. And let's start with golden rules. So let's put a hand behind our ears and say, elephant ears, magnet eyes, clean your desk for learning, hands on your lap, and sweet talking mouth. Children, let us now quickly revise all the sounds that we have done so far. And here we go. Let's say the sound of the letters along with the action. This is letter, correct, S. Let us all say the sound along with the action. S. Lovely. A. A says A. A. Letter T. T says T. Letter B. B says N. N says Letter I. I says it. Letter L. L says Letter D. D says D. 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 That's right. Letter F. F says Letter H. H says Letter O. O says O. O. Letter C. C says letter CK. And it says letter K. K says once again letter G. G says G. G. Letter R. R says Letter B. B says B. B. And letter E. E says E. 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 Yes, so these were the sounds, and children, it is almost all the letters, just a few more to go, and you are doing a good job of learning the sounds. It's time now to listen to the rhyme on letter E. And here goes the rhyme.
Engine, engine out of track. Push it, push it, push it back. Hurt my elbow, oh it hurts. Rub my elbow, eh, eh, eh.
Once again, let's sing the rhyme.
Engine, engine out of track. Push it, push it, push it back. Hurt my elbow, oh it hurts. Rub my elbow, eh, eh, eh.
So that is our letter E. And yes, The sound of letter E is eh, 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 and the action is that of rubbing the elbow. So it's time now to take a look at the pictures. E, eh, engine. E, eh, elf. E, eh, elephant. Yes, that's right. Come on, children. Let's try and do the action of an elephant. Let's take our one hand forward and the other hand under it and try and catch our ears and sway our trunk like an elephant. Yes, this is a hand. And let's sway it up and down like an elephant from side to side. That's exactly how the elephant sways its trunk. Yes, that's correct. So let us try and do that for one more time. And let's go swaying the hand as if it is an elephant trunk. And yes, that was elephant. E, elephant. And it's time now to play a game. So let's get ready, children, because here comes our game. And it says match pictures with the letters. So let's get ready. And right here is the game. So here are the pictures and here are the letters. Come on, let's try and read the pictures first. This is a fan. This is a lion. Yes. And here's the elf. Now we have to match these pictures with the correct beginning sound. Yes. So here are our letters, which also becomes the beginning sound. L, L, F, and E, F. Come on, let's try and match it. The fan first. It is fan. This is letter L. The sound is L. It won't match with this. Let's go to the next letter, that is F. Fan. F. Fan. That's right. It matches. So come on, children. Drag the picture and let's put it to F. And the next in line is the picture of a lion. And L, lion. Does it match with L over here? Yes, it is L, lion. So let's drag the picture and put it here. Now comes the elf. Elf. And right here is letter E. So let us drag the picture and put it right in its place. And it's time now to submit the answers. Yes, all three correct. Well done, children. Good job. So that was a fun game, and let us continue with a fun game by showing you the fun home play activity. Now this home play activity is balance of letter E. So what do you have to do? You have to take a tape or a chalk and you have to make an E shape on the floor with the help of the tape or the chalk. And children, you can balance and walk on that letter E. So this would be your fun home play activity. And with this, we come to the end of our session and of course, the last part of letter E. Hope you have a nice day, children, and I shall be back again with a new letter. Till then, bye-bye, children.